Almost everyone has used a computer mouse before, and Logitech has always been the leader in mice. But now Logitech is redefining the way that we interact with our PC with the MX Air. I have Kristen here from Logitech to tell us all about this new high-performance mouse. Welcome back to the show, Kristen.
Thank you. Thanks so much for having me. So the MX Air is really the future of PC control, and it is a mouse first and foremost, but unlike any other product we've ever designed, it works not only on the desk, but in the air to control your PC. So there's a ton of innovation built into this product.
Kristen, this sounds like such an amazing product. As you're talking, I can already think about all the different ways that I could use it. Now, I read that Logitech has actually used some of the technology from the aerospace industry. Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
Absolutely. So what Logitech did is really take technology that's used in autopilot systems, stability control systems for cars, as well as technology that NASA has used to build it into this mouse. And it sounds so funny to say, but it actually is rocket science.
Okay, wait. Why would we need rocket science in a mouse?
Where the aha moment comes in and where the rocket science really comes in is when you lift that mouse off of the desktop. And you can tell, even if I just grab the clock, I'm not even pointing it at the PC. I can turn it upside down. It still knows which way is up. In activities like navigating photos, what it really does is free you from having to walk over to the desktop and be tethered to the desktop to try to, share those pictures. And it's a much more convenient experience than that because with remote controls, media center remote controls and everything else, you've got to use the arrow. And here it's really thinking of it like a mouse. They've also built in shortcuts so that I can just select a picture and hit the play button and go ahead and start a slideshow. Some of my favorite engineering that they've put into this product are called gesture controls. What that is the ability to control the volume by pressing volume and just moving your mouse to the left or the right so that you don't have to walk up and be tethered to the desk. Additionally, if you want to listen to, let's say, the next song, you can hold down the play pause button and make a circle, and it will skip to the next tune.
Now, as I see you interacting with the media, I'm noticing that you're clicking away. What are the buttons that are on the mouse?
So really, just like any other mouse, you have a left and a right click. You've got the hyper-fast scrolling panel. You've got a back button. Your select button, which acts essentially like a click. Your play pause button, which can be used for things like slideshow. And then the volume button, which, as I showed, you can hold it down and move to the right or left to control the volume on your media.
I mean, truly, Kristen, I have never seen a mouse or anything like this, like the MX Air.
Well, thank you. We're really very proud of it, and we honestly do believe that it's the future of PC control.
Well, thank you so much, Kristen, for stopping by and telling us all about MX Air. It's a great product.
Thanks very much for having me.
Okay, like Kristen said, either on the desktop or in the air. Check out Logitech's MX Air at buy.com today.
On your desk, advanced laser technology gives you precise tracking and instant response. In the air, innovative free space motion sensing transforms hand motions into natural responsive cursor controls. Sit back and listen to music, browse photos, or surf the web from your desk or across the room. Pick one up at buy.com today.